This is a quick video on how to promote your commercial cleaning business using positive words. And this can apply to commercial cleaning, janitorial, carpet and tile cleaning, specialty services. The concept would apply to all of them. And the big thing here is often with sales and marketing, people are always looking for the one big thing or the one big score that will generate and convert. But really what happens with sales and marketing, it is always a succession of these little things that add up. And one of them is going to be using positive words. And this applies to leads, customers, and bidding process when you're doing a walkthrough. Anytime we're contacting people, and nowadays we have to apply it in a lot of different ways. This can be in our email correspondence or in social media when we respond to people or when people ask questions. And the big thing is people don't want to hear what you can't do. They want to hear what you can do, or for you to offer them an alternative. So that's what the point is here is people don't want to hear no or maybe. Maybe's even worse, or probably. Though those are even worse than no. What we want to do instead is use words like yes, absolutely, and then offer them the alternative of how you can do that. So this is a page on our website, methodcleanbiz.com, and this is an assessment for you to go through and start thinking about this and going through your own correspondence and see if you are making this mistake. So just to go through a couple of them, we have 10 in total, but just to go through a couple of them, common questions can be, do you offer a 30-day guarantee or a guarantee at all, regardless of the cleaning service? And instead of saying no or maybe or in some situations, instead you can say yes, absolutely, and then talk about how it works or how they can do it. Maybe in carpet or tile cleaning, it applies if they purchase some kind of a sealer or some kind of carpet protector. Maybe it applies. So that's how you would approach it, is say yes and then explain how. Are you available next week? Absolutely. Instead of saying perhaps or maybe or no, we would want to say absolutely and then let them know the days that you are available. This one especially is something that's going to come up all the time in specialty work with like carpet and tile, that people are going to ask, can you remove this or can you clean this? And the best way to approach it is I can, and then explain how you plan on going about it. Because once you start using words like possibly or never or usually it doesn't, then people are going to start to hedge their bets, and they're probably not going to want to give you an opportunity to do it. And we're not saying to be dishonest about it, but we're saying to be positive about it and then explain what your process is to do it. Can you schedule a specific time? Instead of saying unfortunately or up here I'm pretty busy, instead I will or definitely or I can, and then explain the specific times that you can do it. So this is just something to think about, and I think if you start going back through your conversations and your social media, in your email correspondence, you'll start to realize that a lot of times we don't even think about it, and we start using words like possibly and if I remember to, or I'm pretty busy right now stuff, and instead of using more positive language with people. I think if you start doing this, you'll see that people will respond a whole lot better with you. You'll close more deals and definitely get a lot more referrals.